Welcome to This is UIC Weekly, bringing you the top stories you need to know from the University of Illinois Chicago each week. It's Friday, August 9th. Here's the latest. Crossing Latinidades, an initiative to increase the number of faculty and doctoral students in Latino studies, will continue for another 3 years thanks to a $5 million grant from the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation. Since 2020, UIC has led Crossing Latinidades, a consortium of Hispanic-serving institutions focused on increasing the number of humanities doctoral students and faculty in Latino, Latina, and Latinx studies. Shifting demographics in the U.S. make that goal more important than ever. While Latinos represent 19% of the U.S. population, just 8% of humanities students who earn a doctorate degree are Latino U.S. citizens or permanent residents, according to a 2022 survey of earned doctorates. Crossing Latinidades received its first 3-year $5 million Mellon grant in 2021. It can be difficult for people with disabilities to get the health care they need, partly because many doctors don't feel adequately trained to care for these patients. That can make them feel unwelcome in a doctor's office. Dr. Erin Hickey is attempting to tackle this problem. She recently helped open UI Health's Lifespan Disability Clinic on Chicago's southwest side. Patients with disabilities can access a range of practitioners there, from physicians to occupational therapists to physical therapists, and she has received a $2 million grant to bring medical students into the clinic for training starting this month. The goal is twofold: to provide a clinic where people with disabilities can get comprehensive care in a welcoming space, and to train physicians who will create welcoming spaces in the future. Hickey said people with disabilities experience higher health disparities, such as being less likely to be up to date on mammograms. She hopes the new clinic, combined with student training, will lead to better healthcare outcomes for patients with disabilities. The scientific mystery of how the Earth's continents formed continues with a new paper from UIC Earth scientist David Hernandez-Uribe. Scientists disagree over how the first continents were created billions of years ago. Some argue for subduction, a process where two tectonic plates collide underwater and push landmass to the surface. But Hernandez-Uribe used computer models to show that high pressure and temperature associated with the melting of the Earth's thick primordial crust could also produce the first continents. The results also raise uncertainty about when plate tectonics started on Earth, a key step in the origin of life. UIC is Chicago's public research institution with a mission to provide the broadest access to the highest levels of research, educational, and clinical excellence. Visit today.uic.edu for these stories and more.